Kano governor's lawyer Wole Olanipekun rejects Court of Appeal's request to alter certified true copy of ruling. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post hot juicy news updates. Please click on the notification bell. The Court of Appeal Deputy Registrar had on the 22nd of November 2023 written a request to the governor's lawyer seeking to retrieve the certified true copy of the judgment obtained by the Sands law firm on 21st of November 2023. Chief Wole Olanipekun San, one of the lead counsels to Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf, has rejected the request by the Court of Appeal Registrar to alter the certified true copy CDC judgment out of time. The Court of Appeal Registrar had on the 22nd of November 2023 written a request to the governor's lawyer seeking to retrieve the certified true copy of the judgment obtained by the Sands law firm on the 21st of November 2023. The request, according to the Court of Appeal Registrar, is to enable the court correct some parts of the CDC which registrar described as typographical errors. In a response to the request, the legal luminary rejected the request on the ground that the Court of Appeal had become statute barred from altering the judgment as the mandatory 60 days granted it to decide the case had passed. Also, he noted that the process of issuing the CDC had already taken 7 days out of the 14 days in which the appellant is statutorily mandated to appeal, leaving the appellant with just 7 days to read and analyze the judgment, prepare and conclude the filing of his appeal to the Supreme Court. The Leonard Silk reminded the Deputy Registrar that whatever is sought to be corrected in the judgment can be done at the Supreme Court to enable the appellant, which is Governor Abba Yusuf, to file his appeal without distractions and impediment. Sahara reporters had on Wednesday reported that the Court of Appeal on Wednesday released another certified true copy, CDC, of its ruling on the Kano State governorship election, barely 24 hours after it brought out the first certified true copy, which contained its order affirming the election of Governor Abba Yusuf and awarding 1 million naira against the All Progressive Congress APC. The Court of Appeal, which has continued to receive backlashes from Nigerians over the controversial orders, brought out the new certified copy, a 68-page document obtained by Sahara reporters on Wednesday. In the new ruling, the court backtracked and ordered that the Kano State Governor should rather pay 1 million naira to the All Progressive Congress as the cost. In the new certified true copy also, the Court of Appeal, in the ruling read by Justice Moore Asaimo Abraham Adumen, said Governor Yusuf's appeal was dismissed. You see, on top of this matter, let them not return that particular CDC copy now. No matter what happens, they should not return it. Return what? On top of what? They should sort their issues themselves. You lose something, you see one thing I can't give you. It's not possible. The judges should have resigned for this disgrace. I'm telling you. What did they want to? What did they want to adjust? What exactly did they want to alter? The court has the right to correct any clerical error. I had the CDC judgment of a high court wherein there was an omission in the CDC. We applied that it be corrected and it was corrected. Alright. Very good. Those morally bankrupt judges need to be taught a bitter lesson. I trust Wole Olanipekun San. APC is doing Kano State people. Yes, under this government, nothing is impossible. APC is the best thing that happened to Northerners. Why are people like this? God will continue to expose them, and until Nigerians rise and prove to the judiciary that our votes cannot be shortchanged. I'm telling you, it is until we actually rise up against all this judgment that is befalling us and come out and say enough is enough. That is when people will even start saying, yes, so I mean a true, I mean a lie. Hold it very firm, Mr. San. It is a tangible evidence to be present before the Supreme Court, which I am overwhelmingly optimistic it will yield a good result for Abba and the NNPP, the New Nigeria Revenue Result. I lost confidence in Nigeria. Politicians have finished our country. This country is funny. Oh. Are they dealing with babies for them to think they would just return it like that? How can a sensitive judgment document contain typographical error without review? In a sane climb, the judge ought to the judge ought to resign. Tinubu needed Kano'S status to win the 2027 election. To these policies, I did tell you. All right. You just comment without comprehending what the writer said. There is an erroneous CDC of a judgment in which the lawyer wants to use in the Supreme Court against the appeal court judgment, in which the appeal wants to substitute with the corrected version. All right, on top of this issue, okay, somebody is saying Tinubu is the cause of this problem. How is it the cause of this problem? On top of this issue, this is what I would say. This particular incident was triggered by the presidential, the mother of all the whole issue, which is the presidential elections. You understand? But me, in my own opinion, make the lawyer come and return anything. Let him hold it. Let him say we die here with that CTC. Let them be adjusting whatever they want to adjust when they get to court. Because these people are they feel they are smart. Meanwhile, they can only call their smart cunning. Now, for the person who said Tinubu is the cause of Tinubu is the cause of this particular issue, I don't blame the person, Sha. Because had it been, Oga did not rig himself in and also give authority. It's like he actually, how do I put it now? You rig yourself in and you also give permission for others to continue with the rigging. This particular incident, I don't think would have happened. It is only in Nigeria that you see that the electorate will come out, after the hurdles of trying to get a voter's card. You get a voter's card,